Is it time to buy or sell CoreWeave Class A common stock? In this video, we are diving deep into CoreWeave Class A common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 27th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 13th of August, 2025, our system has classified CoreWeave Class A common stock as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.01. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 17.69%. This results in an average daily loss of 1.61% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are likely. The trend observed over the last 3 months suggests a potential decrease of nearly 30% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of over 65% to an increase of just over 1%. Our latest daily update for CoreWeave Class A common stock includes the headline, "Strong day for CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock, with stock price on Wednesday rising 6.06% to $96.93. The CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock price gained 6.06% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 27th of August, 2025, rising from $91.39 to $96.93. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.88%, moving from a day low of $93.85 to a day high of $97.49. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 17.69% during this period. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 13 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a cumulative total of 29 million shares bought and sold for approximately $2.77 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $186.94, while the lowest price was $33.51. Currently, the price is 48.15% or $90.01 below the 52-week high of $186.94, which is also the all-time high for the stock. CoreWeave is in the spotlight today. Management presented at Deutsche Bank and announced its upcoming appearance at Goldman Sachs' Communacopia and Technology Conference on the 9th of September, with a live webcast planned. Analysts highlight a surging backlog driven by OpenAI contracts and suggest that a potential acquisition of Core Scientific for $9 billion could dramatically expand CoreWeave's data center footprint. The company has slightly increased its revenue outlook for 2025, but recent results revealed significant capital expenditures, margin pressure, and a share price decline of roughly 50%, which has left investors concerned. In the short term, visibility from the conference, positive guidance, and substantial client wins can enhance sentiment and trigger a relief rally, especially if management discusses integration plans and cash flow strategies. However, near-term risks include prevailing macroeconomic sentiment, concerns regarding leverage, potential dilution from any major acquisition, and sensitivity to NVIDIA and broader trends in artificial intelligence hardware, all of which contribute to ongoing volatility. In the long term, achieving scale, fostering deeper relationships with OpenAI, and increasing capacity could justify higher valuations if CoreWeave can convert its backlog into consistent revenue and margin expansion. Conversely, any execution missteps, integration costs, and high debt levels could limit upside potential and prolong undervaluation. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned CRWV an overweight rating with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned CRWV a hold rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a buy rating with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned CRWV a reduce rating with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned CRWV a neutral rating with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned CoreWeave Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. They have rated the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for CoreWeave Class A common stock. The stock exhibits mixed signals today. CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock currently presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the stock. In the event of further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $114.94. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $92.84. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, June 20, 2025, and thus far the stock has decreased by 47.2%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Despite this, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots noted a sell signal 48 days ago. Short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 34 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average noted a sell signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 74 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for CoreWeave Class A common stock. CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock finds support from accumulated volume at $96.80. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, the prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.64 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 3.88%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.05%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.340. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CoreWeave Class A common stock is at $99.51. If you do not own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, CoreWeave Class A common stock faces its first support level at $96.80. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CoreWeave Class A common stock from multiple analyst sources is strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Magnetar Financial LLC, who bought and sold 205,004 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 26.699. Overall, insiders acquired 3,340,761 shares and sold 4,530,727 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is no stop loss currently established. Is CoreWeave Class A common stock a good buy? CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will likely perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a sell to a strong sell since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 28th of August, we anticipate that CoreWeave Class A common stock will open lower by 84 cents and begin trading at $96.09. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.